A beautiful blue sky day, brisk but beautiful here in Middle Georgia. And I'm gonna show you a brand new construction, the Rocco floor plan built by Masterpiece Construction here in Perry and listed by Jeanette Thomas. It's a 4-bedroom house in the low 300s and we're gonna check it out right now. As in all the other videos, we're gonna start from the outside. We're gonna have a 2-car front facing garage. You do have here a beautiful small front porch, and I'll give you some information about the house. They're sitting all on around 0.31 acres. This one was listed at $308,000 with 1,700 square foot, 4 bedrooms. Look at that. What I do personally really like with Masterpiece Construction is that their design choices are like no other in the area. They go way beyond what some builders do, especially big box builders. But you got the beautiful beams, you got the wood accent, you got actually wood shutters in the low 300s. And look at this beautiful grayish light blue color. Like I said, we're gonna go around the front a little bit. You got the brick accent here, making it really pop. And this is one of the builders that still includes a fence when building a home with them or purchasing a new construction. You do get a 6-foot picture frame privacy fence. There is no gate over here, but I wanted to show you the side. You got some hardy board over here, and I love the color. I personally do love the color. You do have the pine straw landscaping, and if you want to know why we use so much pine straw in Georgia, put it in the comments below. If you know, if you don't, I'm gonna let you know what and why that is actually the case. Also, what I actually really like, and you let me know, I like those. I just like those. They give the house like this little bit of farmhouse touch on the front too. We do have over here, again, you got the hardy board siding, as you can see, and you got a gate over here. Since we are out here, we're just gonna go through the gate and show you the backyard. It is a 0.3 acre lot, so it's not humongous, but it is a decent size for a 1,700 square foot home. And as I mentioned, you do get a privacy fence with these new constructions over here in Masterpiece Construction, which you do get with most you don't get with actually most builders here in Middle Georgia anymore. There is no more privacy fence. It's all upgrade. You do have a nice, decently sized back patio that could be easily screened in. As you can see, the wood accent pillars over here, and then you got the door into the kitchen dining room area. Again, I do like the brick accent. That makes it pop a little bit more. What do you think? This is listed at $308,000, and they will have, or they do have, multiple floor plans out here in Perry, and I will, over the next couple of weeks, show you multiple of their floor plans so you can see what else they do offer here in Perry, Georgia. And let me know what you think. Overall, what do you think about 1,700 square foot? Is that enough space? Are you more the 4-bedroom or the 3-bedroom person? Here we do have the 2-car garage, which a lot of you might like. There is epoxy there. I do not know if that was an upgrade or not, but there is epoxy flooring, and you got an extended bay, which is longer. Everyone that has a truck knows that some garages can be a little bit cramped when it comes to pickups or larger SUVs lengthwise. What I also like, they went away with those old school lights in the garage. You got those flat LED lights, which look way nicer. And then you got, of course, attic access. There is some storage over there. And what you don't see as much in Middle Georgia is actually the water heater is in the garage. But now let's check in side and see what they have. Garage door. Ooh, it's warmer in here. Coming in, you got luxury vinyl plank. This is a really pretty one, in my opinion. You do have garage door. You do have the front door that, you know, we were up front here, but new constructions, most of the time you go through the garage. It's just the way it is. Coming out of the garage in the hallway, you got this laundry room with some storage. You got a little cute mud bench. So what I do personally really like is the details that Masterpiece Construction puts in these houses. They do a really great job on designing. That is my personal opinion. Other people can have a different opinion for sure, but I feel like this is something that you don't see often in smaller homes. Also, what I do like is that it has, and they put in the retracted hookup for the dryer vent, which, you know, if that pipe sticks out, your dryer sticks out further, and you lose a little space. So, when it comes to design choices, as you can see, as I mentioned, it is a little bit different. It's not the scanned light shop and light fixture stuff. There's really, really thought through what to choose in the house and what to use. So you got all 3 bedrooms over here, and then you got the main bedroom over here, and then around is the kitchen. So we're gonna check out these first, which you got a linen closet. You never can have enough storage, for sure. And then you got the bathroom, first bathroom over here. And as you can see, you got nice white quartz countertops in this beautiful vanity color. Beautiful, like I said, is my opinion. What do you like? You like lighter cabinets, or do you like that cabinetry in combination with the tile? Well, you got tower shop combo bathroom in the hallway, and then over here you got the 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 over here, decent sized bedroom for a smaller house in the 1,700 square foot. You do have the retracted ceilings as well. On this floor plan, due to the way it's cut, you do have that corner cut off in the 3 bedrooms. But it is still a decent size bedroom, 100%. You got a wall closet over here. They're pretty standard in the houses. But those designs of the doors are more of that farmhouse. There's not too much schnaz around it, which actually looks pretty cool. So then across you got pretty much the same bedroom to the front of the house. As you can see, it is has 2 windows over here, also the corner. This one might be actually a little bit bigger than the one over here. You do have the retracted ceiling fans in all rooms. I gotta put an emphasis on that because a lot of times ceiling fans are only in the main areas, and in some of the bedrooms you only have a light, no ceiling fan. So they put ceiling fans in all bedrooms, which is great, because if you are a sucker for fans in the bedrooms, you don't have to worry about changing them out later on. And then you got bedroom number 3 over here, which is generally a little bit larger because you kind of got that walkway into the house, but they're all three pretty decently sized. This one is a little bit more rectangular shape, the other more square with the corner cut off. But this one also has like some vaulted ceilings instead of the retracted, but it has a fan, and then you have the view out to the front of the neighborhood. Look at that blue sky. It is beautiful but brisk out here. So from this side of the house, we're gonna walk through the hallway. Yes, we do only have 2 bathrooms in here. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. That might, for some people, be a negative, but hey, you get 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,700 square foot for $308,000. You got a coat closet right when you come in from the front door, garage, and laundry room, as I mentioned. You cannot have enough storage. And then we come into the living room space over here. Look at that, coffered ceilings, large fan, all modern finishes. And I feel like it flows super, super cool. And then you got, of course, the view into the backyard. You got this gas fireplace over here for the brisk days in Middle Georgia. And let me spin around. You got the living room space into the kitchen and the front, and then you got the main over here that we're going to go into here in a second. Again, it's an open floor concept here in the living space. You got the dining area over here. You got the combo between black countertops and white countertops. And then you got a vent hood. In a lot of the smaller homes, you do not get the professional vent hoods venting outside. You got the cabinetry that you already seen in the bathroom. Again, look at the lighting fixtures over here. And then that granite, not busy at all. Just a couple of different patterns in here. But I personally think it is a beautiful combination. The same with the faucet here. It's a little bit different, but it matches. You got beautiful farmhouse sink with all kind of utilities that they have here. And then also the hardware matching the faucet, giving that whole thing a little bit more pop. And then like this white granite compared to the black, or I think it's quartz. It's just such a cool, nice contrast, in my opinion. Or what do you think? Would you have rather the black all over or the white all over? Let me know in the comments. Cabinetry, I think for a smaller home, you do have quite a bit of cabinetry space. Also, the backsplash, pretty cool over here. And then you do have a somewhat of a walk-in pantry in a 1,700 square foot house. Is actually pretty unheard of, to be honest. One thing that the Masterpiece does, what I haven't seen before, is those etchings, or I don't know how you want to call them. But what are your thoughts on those? I think they're stylish, and I think it's something I haven't seen before, and you see it on this side as well, on the coffee bar area. It's the first time I've seen it in a Masterpiece construction home. Of course, all the doors are soft closed doors and drawers for sure, but let me know, what do you think about that? What do you think about the whole color combo? You do have the microwave as well built into the island down here. As you can see, you got an oven, a cooktop, vent hood, the dishwasher, and over here you do have your dining area / breakfast nook. I A lot of people might just dine on the island or have a table here right off of the kitchen. Beautiful how the sunlight comes in. It's a lot of natural light coming into this beautiful home. And then you got, of course, right off the kitchen, you got the door towards the back patio where we already have been. And then lastly of this house, we right here have the main bedroom with double retracted ceilings, a ceiling fan over here. This is a really decent size main bedroom for a 1,700 square foot home. You do have one unique feature on the Rocco floor plan. You do have 2 closets. You got 2 walk-in closets, and this one is quite large, to be honest. This is a big walk-in closet over here. I mean, you don't see stuff like that in smaller homes. And small is relative. 1,700 square foot is not small, but compared to what has been built in the area, everything above 2,000 square foot is then like a little bit bigger, if you know. And then you got another huge walk-in closet over here. Usually, houses in that size range usually have this one closet and that's it. You don't have a double closet, but this one does have the double closet over here in the main bedroom, which is kind of cool. Or let me know real quick, would you rather have one closet and maybe the bedroom 2 foot bigger, if possible, or would you say 2 walk-in closets is actually the better idea? Let me know. Then we do have the main bedroom, the same bathroom, the same tile as in the other. There is a little bit of a different granite over here. It is a little bit different. But I personally don't mind it. It is not as busy. You do again have modern light fixtures, all with that goldish accent, which is really cool. It just fits the home, if that makes sense. You got mirrors, they come with mirrors. You do have a walk-in shower in these houses, and it's not a small walk-in shower. It's a pretty decent size. It's a large walk-in shower. Let's say it the way it is. It's a large walk-in shower. Got a rain shower head, a regular shower head. You got the shelf for soap. You got a bench. You got this beautiful pattern down here in the shower, all tiled all the way up, not just cut off at the edge of the frame. It is all the way to the ceiling. And you got shower door. Of course, you got your potty, and you got another linen closet over here, which storage. So what do you think? This was the Rocco floor plan built by Masterpiece Construction here in Perry, Georgia. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,700 and a little square footage at $308,000 on a 0.31 acre lot. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you want more information about Masterpiece Construction, about this specific floor plan, want to see more floor plans or more videos like that, put that in the comment. And if you are looking to purchase a home in the Middle Georgia area because you're PCSing to Robins Air Force Base or in Georgia in general, my information and my team's information is in the description below. We are more than happy and would be more than happy and honored to be your real estate source of choice. And I'll see you on the next tour.